I've been pushing away everybody I love. I don't know what to do, need a sign from above. I just want to be somebody who knows how to behave, but I'm not even close. Won't you save, 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 save me? Won't you save, 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 save me? I am out here alone, 'cause there's nobody left. I need someone to talk to, get this pain on my chest.
Alright guys, so what I'm doing right now is I'm cutting the trim for the headboard out of cedar. It's going to match the bed like I said in the last video. Maple, plywood, cedar trim. And what I've done, I ran it through the table saw a bunch of times, which next time I'll use the router, but hey, whatever. I cut these channels here so it fits around the headboard, frames it nicely there. You can see how that works. But I made a typical Barry move and made a little mistake. And when I was cutting my miters, I cut these 45s, I cut it going the wrong direction. So when I fixed it, my piece was too short. So I ended up with something, you know, where it doesn't even go up to the end. What I decided to do to fix that is cut it in half. So I cut it there, and then I can wiggle this out to the end where it's supposed to be. And now I have this space right here. And I can just cut a small plug to fit there. And if there's any gap in that plug, I'll just fill it with glue and cedar sawdust. And after we get it oiled down, it's hardly going to be noticeable. But you'll see how the 45 meets really well right there. And it's going to go all the way around the entire length of the headboard to wrap it in sort of a trim fashion. But yeah, guys, just want to show you miters can be tricky, miters can be fussy, and it's real easy to get things flipped around in your head and cut the wrong way. And if you don't have a lot of material, or you're trying to do one cut, you know, spot on, cut it the wrong way, well, you're kind of messed up. So anyway, I'm rambling. Back to the video.
And the people I've heard wanna take that part of me and leave it in the dirt. Won't you save, 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 save me? Won't you save, 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 save me? Won't you save, 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 save me? Oh, save me, save, save me. Oh, I've been trapped in this darkness for far too long now. Wanna tear down the curtains, let the sun shine in.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this series I've done on the plywood platform bed build. Usually at this point in the series of the videos or whatever, you know, the builder goes, oh, I learned so much. And I did, I really did, but I'm not gonna go on and on about that. I just hope you guys enjoyed it. One reason why I chose plywood for this is because, you know, soon I'll be retiring from the Army and moving back to Indiana where the climate is a lot more humid. And I wanted to choose a wood that was going to stay very stable for me when I moved from this drier western climate and altitude to the lower altitude and higher humidity of Indiana. So that's one of the reasons why I went with plywood. I don't know if you guys noticed, the veneer on the plywood is awesome, very beautiful. So you get a lot of bang for your buck. I think overall I've got about $230-ish wrapped up in this project, not including the consumables that went into it. But for a bed like this, that's really cheap, you guys. I've already got the next build planned. I'm really excited for this one. I think you guys are gonna love it. I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet, but if you pay attention on Instagram and Facebook, you might get a glimpse of it. That being said, again, I really hope you guys enjoyed this build, following along with me in it, and I appreciate your engagements and your comments so much. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't done so. You guys take it easy, stay safe, See you next time.
Won't you say